Namaste and welcome to Life. I am Suresh Raju, heading the Department of Training and Transformation at ISBR Business School. Over the last 20 plus years, I have been having a passionate journey in understanding people, be it relationships, team dynamics, or the way we communicate and its impact on emotions. Being a qualified psychologist, I counsel people for emotional health, be it dealing with their situational or relationship challenges. I've been a career coach helping youngsters to make right career choices, and I've been a learning and development facilitator for corporate workshops. Why this video now? With 20 plus years of experience, a lot of my friends have insisted that why not I start a video channel on learning or learning and development. But over the last couple of days, one such close friend, he is Srijit Nair, who is a successful entrepreneur in Doha, Qatar, has been really pushing me, and thank you, Srijit. This video is dedicated for you. Frankly, I also don't know why I have delayed so much. Okay, was it my own sheer laziness, or was it some other belief which was stopping me? That apart, I also thought today is the right time to unlock myself. June 8th, that is today, being the first day of Unlock version 1.0. Yes, friends, we are all today physically moving out to our work and back to normal life with all the new norms and restrictions that have been imposed. Wish you all the best. Be safe and be healthy. That's very important. Okay, while we go back to work, go back to our normal life, I think it's important to take care of the safety and hygiene measures also. Yes, last 3 months has been having deep impact on millions of people across the globe. Industries have been impacted, businesses have been impacted. All of us have gone through uh, a tough phase of life, right? A lot of things were not expected. We never expected such a thing will happen. We will be forced to lock down at homes. We never expected those things. But yes, it did happen, and the world is moving on. Uh, when I say the world is moving on, and if I connect that why this video series now, okay, it's very important to understand that situations or problems are same to everyone. There is no problem or situation which is measured in terms of difficulty or bigness of a problem. Problem is a problem. There's no big problem or a small problem. The definition of big or small depends on your size. Let me clarify this with a story. This story or episode is from one of our mythology, Ramayana. Nothing religious about it, but a tremendous lesson to learn from. This incident is when Rama and his team, Lord Ram and his team, are supposed to get back Sita from Lanka. They are all on the shores of Rameshwaram. They have to go to Lanka. The only thing that separates is the large sea between. All the fingers point towards Lord Hanuman, and Lord Hanuman is also, not very excited and motivated. He is in fact afraid. He says, "The sea is very vast and large. How do you expect me to jump over it?" That is when Jambuanta comes into picture and gives him the motivation that is required. And after that, we know that Hanuman grew so big in size that the sea becomes small. Now, the sea was the same. The size of the sea did not change, but it was Hanuman who became so big. So, my dear friends, events, problems, situations are what it is. It's our size that matters. this immediately connects me with one of the formulas my recent friends gave. He was invited for a talk in our college, Mr. Srijit Krishnan. Srijit Krishnan, thank you so much for this formula. Events plus your response is what gets the desired results. Don't you think it's such a wonderful lesson in it? It has a tremendous lesson in that. Okay. So it is not about the events, it is not about the situation, it is not about the problem. It all depends on how you respond during those times of problems, during such situations, is what is required for you to really make a difference for yourself and success. My dear friends, the series of videos that I'm going to attempt to bring through this channel, through this platform, is to share my experience, my knowledge on various topics of life skills, leadership, emotions, and soft skills. Of course, a lot of offline support will also be rendered to ensure that I work with you so that we succeed together and definitely grow towards a greater nation. Be with me. Thank you so much. And before signing off, let me put the general disclaimer. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you. Bye.